The Dutch scientist Antony van Leeuwenhoek developed the first simple microscope. Leeuwenhoek's microscope was made up of a single lens. He observed tiny single-celled organisms in a drop of pond water. He was the first to recognize the living organisms he observed as living units, but he did not call them cells. He called them animalcules. He also observed the blood cells in the webbed foot of a frog under his microscope.
Like, share and subscribe to our channel Tutelage by Magic for such knowledgeful videos, and give a visit to our description box for the previous videos.